You can see the frustration on my face. You know why? It's because I recorded the complete video and I forgot to hit the record button on the camera. Poor me. Alright, welcome back guys, my name is Ishan. Welcome back to Talk Football, home of reviews, tactics and transfer talks. And since this is my second recording, I'll be very precise. So in this video, we'll be discussing the confirmed transfer from all around the world, the top transfers that have happened. Yeah, and also the hottest transfer rumors from all around the world. So let's get it started. The number one, the confirmed transfer is of Allan, the 29-year-old midfielder from Napoli to Everton in a deal that is reported to be around £21.7 million. The next is a big transfer of Fabio Silva, the 18-year-old Portuguese centre forward. The striker signed for Wolves. He comes from Porto and the transfer value is 40 million euros. And let me tell you, this is the club record bid for any player that signed for Wolverhampton. Another teenager from Portugal, a surprise? I don't think so. So the next news is coming from Leeds United because they have qualified, they have made their way into the Premier League, and so now they need big signings. So here comes Rodrigo, the Valencia man. The 29-year-old Spanish international signs for Leeds United in a deal that is reported to be around 30 million euros. Also, Kevin Volland is on his way to France. He has signed for AS Monaco from Bayer Leverkusen in a deal that is reported to be around 15.5 million euros. Now the next news is coming from Arsenal because we have seen Arsenal struggle defensively because Socrates and David Luiz, his errors and all have led Mikel Arteta has given him a lot of frustration, but now he has made two great signings in the name of Gabriel Magalhaes. Magalhaes, is that the pronunciation? Anyways, he signs from Lille in a deal around 26 million euros. The 22-year-old defender will be pairing up with another defender that is just 19 years old, William Saliba. He comes from Saint Etienne and the amount is reported to be 25 million euros. So we can see a partnership of these two for the coming next decade. Good job, Arteta. And now the next news is coming from Dortmund as they have secured a loan move for the Brazilian attacking midfielder Reinier from Real Madrid. And also Real Madrid have let go of Brahim Diaz on loan to AC Milan. The 21-year-old attacker will be joining Zlatan Ibrahimovic for the next season. Plus, a very good news for the Manchester United fan. You might have heard about this. Donny van de Beek has signed from Ajax in an amount that is reported to be around 40 million euros. Wolverhampton have also secured the signing of Lyon's Fernando Markel. The 31-year-old defender who took Lyon to the UEFA Champions League semi-final would be a great addition for the Wolves. And now let's quickly jump on to the rumors that are being coming from all around the world and especially Barcelona. Because Lionel Messi has decided that he'll be staying for at least another season because he didn't want to drag Barcelona to court, and now his supposedly best friend Suarez, Neymar would have a point arguing in that, don't you think? So Suarez and Vidal, they trained alone. And now it has been reported that Suarez has agreed a 3-year deal with Juventus because as much as we have heard, Higuain is out of Juventus and they are trying to sign Suarez in a very less amount because I don't think so that Suarez will be so highly valued now. But still, the news is true that Suarez is being heavily linked to Juventus, but there is a bit of a problem. As Juventus have got their two places already occupied in Weston McKennie, the American youngster they signed from Schalke, and Brazilians Arthur, who also came from Barcelona. So Suarez has to get a European passport, and I don't think so that would be hard for him considering the fact that his wife is Italian. So I think so that this deal can just go through. Because if it does, it will be good for Suarez, it will be good for Barcelona, and it will be good for Juventus as well. Because Suarez is still a decent striker. Unless you ask him to run 10 yards. Don't ask him to sprint. No. And there's also a report that Vidal is also being headed out of Barcelona as he is deemed surplus to the requirements of Ronald Koeman, as he is very much interested in signing Wijnaldum from Liverpool. The 29-year-old has reportedly agreed a 3-year deal with the Catalan Giants and now can be signed for an amount that is reported to be around £15 million. Don't you think that £15 million is a bit less for a player like Gigi? I think so that Thiago being linked to Liverpool in an amount of 30 million euros will make way for the exit of Wijnaldum. This deal can just go through, I feel, because Koeman is a fan of Wijnaldum, and also he is a fan of Depay, who is yet another Dutch player that is being linked to Barcelona. And this deal can really happen, guys, because it all seems that Lyon have agreed a bid of £22 million for the striker, the 26-year-old attacker. He was a crucial player for this Lyon side and has scored 46 goals in 103 Ligue 1 appearances. So will he be a good fit for Barcelona now? Griezmann being there as a striker, then Depay coming. Anyways, he'll be forced to play out of his position. Why are you going for Depay now, man? I cannot understand the way that Barcelona does business in the transfer market. Anyways, and now coming on to the one of the most hottest property in Europe right now, that is Sandro Tonali. And if you don't know this guy, he's deemed to be the next Pirlo. And if you don't know Pirlo, why the hell are you watching this video, man? Just kidding. Sandro Tonali is a 20-year-old Italian midfielder of Brescia, and he broke through the first team just 17 years of age. And now since then he has gone on to become like one of the hottest property in Europe. Everybody is behind him. Juventus was behind him, Inter Milan was behind him, and now it looks like AC Milan have got his signature done. That is a 10 million loan deal for 1 year, and if they want to make the signing permanent, they'll have to give another 20 million euros to Brescia to confirm the signature of the highly rated Italian. That guy is one of the best midfielders in his age group because he has got that technical ability, he's a good dribbler, and best of it, he has got that ability to play that regista role. AC Milan would be lucky to have a player like Sandro Tonali to supply balls onto Zlatan Ibrahimovic and the other Brahim Diaz now. So it's all to see how Sandro Tonali would be prospering at AC Milan. And so guys, that's all for today's news. If you guys know any more crispy, spicy rumors about transfers, let me know in the comments down below. I'm all ears to such newses. And if you like this video, do drop a subscribe. If you haven't up till now, the button is over here. Do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Talk Football HD. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, as always, peace out.